Hey there folks, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a topic that's essential for all new drivers: how to follow the panel for direction on your driving test. On the driving test, the examiner could ask you to drive independently. This means that instead of giving you directions, examiner will ask you to follow direction signs. The independent driving will last around 20 minutes. Direction signs panels for national and regional routes have green backgrounds, also known by primary routes. Non-primary routes have white background. The long line at the bottom is the road that you are entering the roundabout from. By looking at this sign, we can see that M18 Scunthorpe is left first exit and A1M Rotherham, it is right third exit. At roundabout signs, as well as knowing the direction, it's important to know what number exit you will be taking. At this roundabout Thorn or M18 Scunthorpe, it is straight ahead second exit. Please pay attention at this roundabout. Thorn A18 is left second exit. You need to be careful as there is another seconder exit before the A18 one. On the other hand, M18 Scunthorpe is the right third exit, and for this direction, we need to use the right lane. Also look at the road markings to choose the correct lane for your route. M18 Scunthorpe is straight ahead second exit. At this roundabout sign, Doncaster is left first exit. From here, we need to follow the direction to A1M Rotherham, and according with the panel is right third exit. Also, we can notice that this one is Toby Carvery, Sainsbury's roundabout, and particularly for this roundabout, for turning right third exit, we can use both lanes. But if you decide to use right lane, you must exit into the right lane. A1M Rotherham is straight ahead, second exit. A1M Rotherham is straight ahead, second exit. And that's it for today's video. We hope these tips and scenarios help you feel more confident and prepared for your driving test. Remember, the panel is there to help you, so don't be afraid to ask questions or seek clarification. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful driving tips. Until next time, safe driving everyone.